So good afternoon, we are the research team 1 from grade 11 STEM 1, and our topic is the impact of extracurricular activities on grade 11 STEM students. And this research aims to investigate the impact of extracurricular activities on grade 11 STEM students in Santa Lucia High School. So before we proceed to our task, gusto ko lang sabihin na lahat ng sasabihin mo kung magiging sagot mo ay magiging confidential at hindi ito makakalabas dito. So what language do you prefer to learn? Number 1, what do you think are the advantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
I think advantages are mas nagiging productive dito sa student at ito sa so hindi lang mag-aaral na so meron pa siyang time to relax and study.
Number 2, what do you think are the disadvantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
I think yung disadvantages ko is minsan kasi mas sumusobra yung attention span sa extracurricular activities kesa dun sa mga
Number 3, what type of extracurricular activities are you involved in and why did you choose them?
So I was involved in Sabayang Pagbigkas. I chose them, not hindi siya option, pero I was chosen. So,
Number 4, can you describe your responsibilities and roles that inlines to your extracurricular activities?
responsibilities I think one of the responsibilities is be a student and someone who can participate and cooperate to perform that Sabayang Pagbigkas.
Last question. What do you think is the effects in joining extracurricular activities?
Effects can be positive and negative. So positive, sabi ko nga kanina, it can be positive kasi nga merong time for students to think na yung pag-aaral is hindi lang siya puro aral. So merong time to have fun. So disadvantages is minsan kulang yung oras or mas natutunan ng pansin yung mga extracurricular activities kesa din sa school.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you for participating.